How to add another account on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set up and switch between multiple WhatsApp accounts on your Android device. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings. From there, tap on Account at the top of the Settings menu. At this point, scroll down and tap on Add Account at the bottom of the page. In the next step, a pop-up will appear showing your current accounts. Tap on Add Account again at the bottom of that pop-up. Following this, tap on Agree and Continue to proceed. Once done, enter the phone number you want to add as a second account and tap Next. From here, WhatsApp will send a verification code to that number either via SMS or email. Enter the code once you receive it. Finally, once verified, your second WhatsApp account will be added and you can switch between accounts anytime directly from the settings menu. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you add another account on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.